Namaste, Hare Krishna, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hello viewers, welcome to MK Chastrovastu 1 channel. So viewers, we are in a series of Rashis. So today we are mainly dealing with the Libra sign. What are the Libra sign predictions stored for 2022? It is called as like Tula Rashi also, and Libra ascendants, and that is like something whoever having that Tula Lagna or Tula Rashi, the predictions applies for these people too. So the thing is like, what about the Tula Rashi? First, going into the basic predictions, Tula Rashi people are most concentrated about their looks, means how they will be preparing, how they will be ready, and how what are the visibility facts the more. Simultaneously, if they want to do any things, they will do in a creative way, and they want accomplishment, means they will not live in between. Because here in this Rashi, the three heavy nakshatras, Swati nakshatra, Vishaka nakshatra, and Hasta nakshatra, something like the big nakshatra with the big grahas nakshatras appears to be the more loaded Rashi, because here the Saturn becomes exalted in this Rashi, as you know. So this becomes some sort of a like something responsibility person, and who make the whoever the agriculturist, photography, and whatever horticulture, and painting, fine arts, and whatever that musical instruments simultaneously, who are in politics, and story, screenplay, like that, all sort of creativity activities you people are involved in this one. And some sort of the problems, this thing means you always suffer from the relationship problems, means this Tula Rashi having the pending karma of the relationship, means either they will suffer or they will take responsibility on them, and they will somewhat feel crushed in the relationship. So that is the problem you will face in your lifetime, viewers. And the Saturn is being Yogakaraka, so this is your powerful point. So you will do very well in the work, whatever work you received, that is the main thing. And being a male Tula Rashi person or female Tula Rashi person, the looks becomes more important for you viewers. So again, the main important numbers, means whichever it is called as lucky numbers for you people, is 2, 4 and 6 is a lucky numbers for you all Tula Rashi peoples. And the lucky day, it is called as the Friday is lucky day, Saturday is lucky day, these two. And the lucky stone, it is a diamond. And the lucky another stone will be like it is called as the blue sapphire. So these are the lucky stones. So viewers, coming into the prediction for 2022. So for Tula Rashi and Tula ascendant people, for the transits are becoming more heavy here. Anyway, in 7th April, the Jupiter is transiting there into Kumbha to mean Rashi, and 9th April, Saturn is transiting from Makara to Kumbha, and Rahu Ketu transits has been happening. So far, like multiple transits are happening at a time. So what you call this multiple effect of planet, means multiple transits are giving more effects here. So it will be heavy transit, major big karma, means major changes is going to happen within Tula Rashi people, April and May. So until our predictions for today is considered for until April, May. So let us see the chart for New Year. So here your Rashadipati Shukra is with the 4th Lord, 4th house is associated with Saturn. So who are planning to buy the properties, he will definitely get it, but there somebody will face the issues of getting the new property. Saturn shows up the old property, that's why there might be buying and selling from the old properties. Income will be from old properties, likewise second hand items, likewise viewers. And in second house, the moon, Ketu, and Mars is placed. Moon is significant of eye in the chart, means it is shows the left eye. Likewise, like sun is showing the right eye, simultaneously moon showing the left eye. So second house, the debilitated moon is placed. So some part of the time you are able to you will facing the eye related problems, but it is for a part time. Don't be panic, just be caution about that. And this Ketu in second house, sometime many viewers has come to us consultation, they complain some while eating they will get a hairs and they will get some sort of a small type of stones, means however they cleanly they prepare the food, some sort of a stuff will come. So this sort of problems they are going to face, viewers. And Jupiter is placed in the fifth house, which is giving the exact Guru Balam to you, which is fulfilling, as you know, fifth house is a Purva Punya Sthanam. Jupiter is fulfilling all your pending desires, all your pending desires, in the sense it might be your long pending desires also. The food wish fulfillment, desire fulfillment will definitely happen, viewers. Same wise, the health ups and downs will be there for you, the Tula Rashi peoples. Like you might be having the backbone issues, means bone related problems, simultaneously there will be problems related to the feet issues. So this is the thing. And simultaneously for Tula Rashi, 8th house placed Rahu, 8th as you know, it can create you secret enemies without knowingly or unknowingly, and you can be whenever if you have a tussle between them, tussle with them, means tussle means something quarrel within you and your hidden enemy. Please be aware of the arms and all those things, because it is some sort of a hidden enemies, whatever they wish they will do, so be careful about it. Last but not the least, Tula Rashi is having very quite bright thing as compared to other Rashis which we have seen so far, viewers. So simple remedies for some negative points, just whoever wish to want that remedies, wish to fulfill their wishes, means pending wishes. So chant up the Bagalamukhi mantra, which is very powerful, but the dietary restriction should be very careful. Don't eat non-veg on the particular day, and you should chant on every Fridays. Facing the north facing is more important, and you have to follow the brahmacharya, means the strict brahmacharya you have to follow. So this is for the store for you Tula Rashi peoples. Hope this year will fulfill all your dreams and desires. Be happy, stay blessed. Thank you.